Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to install Htop on Arch Linux. Now, Htop is a tool similar to the top command, but a little bit better, some would argue. So, start out by typing, first we're going to become root. Then we are going to say pacman-s and y, just to make sure we're syncing, and Htop, just like that. Super easy. So the package name is the name of the command, and there we go. We have installed Htop. So Htop, there we go. You can see, this is an old laptop I'm running on, but it shows you your memory, 4 different CPU cores and the usage, your tasks, your load average, uptime, bunch of processes, and it lets you do all kinds of things with these. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. There is Htop up and running on my Arch Linux laptop. And that's it for today. So remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the other great tech content like this video that we're putting out there. We have a lot of great content out there, so don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.